Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Agrawal, and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel. Gardening is my passion. Friends, if you are going to grow dahlia, these are the dahlia plants you can see, and this is the right season to grow dahlia. If you want to grow, I'll tell you the 5 best tips for growing dahlias, and you can get huge flowers and huge, enormous, beautiful flowering. And here are the some seedlings and some cuttings of dahlia. These are now available in the nurseries. You can buy it. And the 5 tips, the first tip is the variety. You have to choose the right variety, whether you want numerous numbers of flowers or if you want small number of flowers, 1 2 or 3. These are the Kenyan variety. You see, these are the big size flowers. In each plant you can get 1 2 or 3 flowers that are big size, around 1 foot diameter flower. If you want, you can grow this Kenyan variety, and in that case you have to remove the buds and you have to keep only 1 2 or 3 buds. You will get the big flowers. If you want number of flowers, then you have to pinch of the tip and you can get number of numerous branches, and each branches you can get 2 to 3 flowers here. And in that case, flower size will be very small, but the flowers number will be very huge numbers. These are the, you can see, these are the birds here in each plant. 4 to 5 plants flowers you can get in each time. So this is the tips. And first thing you have to consider, the soil mix is very important. Which soil mix you have to do? You have to take any kind of alluvial soil you have to take. And the thing is that take around 70% garden soil, and the 30% compost, maybe vermicompost, cow dung compost, or leaf mold compost, or kitchen compost, anything compost you have, you can mix it. And this is the very important thing. And in that, you see, if the soil is clay, then in that case you can add 10% any river sand in that. And food is very important, and in that case I will get the fertilizer. This is a mustard cake liquid fertilizer. Always soak this mustard cake liquid fertilizer around 4 days to soak the mustard cake powder, and then apply 100 ml of this liquid mustard cake fertilizer every 7 or 10 days. This is enough food for your this dahlia plants, and you don't have to add any kind other. If you are going to grow in this chemical method, then you can grow with some DAP or NPK Sofolat 10 26 26 or 20 20 20 few grams per plant in each 7 to 10 days. And here I tell you some of this uniqueness. If you don't have any kind of fertilizer other kind, then you can add 1 fistful of compost in each every 7 or 10 days in each plant. Then you water the plant and loosen the soil. And one thing is very important, there should be very enough sunlight. They need at least 3 to 5 hours sunlight every day. There should be proper sunlight. If you are growing in garden or if you are growing in pots, the pots should be placed in such a place say that they can receive at least 3 to 5 hours sunlight every day. They need proper sunlight, they need proper food, they need proper water every day, and this is the very important. And the third tips is very important, that many a times they are attacked by different types of insects, especially mealybugs, sometimes white flies, and different types of leaf hoppers, or these kinds of insect attack the plants, and as a result the buds do not open and the flower size remains very small. So in that case, I'll tell you some of the insecticide that you can apply in your plants once in 7 days or 10 days. If you can spray some of the insecticide, I'll tell you some of the insecticide. If you have some Confidor, this is imidacloprid, 1 ml per liter. This is from Bayer company. You can apply once in a week, or if you don't have, then you can apply Theta, 1 ml per liter once in a week. Or if you don't have this one, then you can apply Kaka. This is 100% organic insecticide, 2 ml per liter. This will take care every kind of insects in your plants, especially in the dahlia plants, or if you want you can apply on other plants also. And if you don't have these ones, then if you want single insecticide that will control every kinds of insect, then this is Pegasus from Syngenta, 1 gram per liter. It will control every kind of mealybug or white flies or different types of leafhoppers, and every kind of insect they will take care. So you don't have to take much care if you have Pegasus in 1 gram per liter if you spray once in a week. And the fourth point is fungus control. Sometimes the plants are attacked by fungus, different types of fungus attack. Then I'll recommend you sap, babistin, or bullet. 2 gram per liter if you spray. This is the composition. I'll tell you. This is the cymoxanilin and mancozeb, or if you have cymoxanilin, mancozeb, or carbendazim, these kinds of insecticide, sharp insecticide, or you have Nativo, you have to apply 1 gram per liter. If you apply Nativo 1 gram per liter in any of the time, any of the season time, yeah, they will control all your fungus. And if you the flowering is not occurring, then you can apply, this is the Miraculan, this tricontinental compound, Miraculan 1 ml per liter. If you spray this once in 10 days, and only once if you spray on this plant, then there will be certainly there will be some budding there and proper budding is there. And fifth point is very very important. Staking is very very important. The stems are very very fragile. The stems contains lots of water and very tender stems, and the top portion is very heavy. As a result, sometimes the stems easily break down. So you have to take proper care. You have to erect some stakes here, 2 stakes per plant, and you have to tie with some strings proper. This is very very important wherever you are growing in garden, or if you are growing in pots or containers. You must have to erect stakes properly, and you have to bind with some strings properly, so that the plant does not bend down, and as a result the plant do not fall down and the stems will not break down. The flower size is also very very huge, big size. As a result, the top portion becomes very very heavy. So in that case also, and the stake should be don't proper size should be stakes proper there. So if you control all these things, and if you follow all my 5 tips, then your flower will be very very nice and excellent. So thank you very much. Thank you very much.